The MLA of Rangsakuna constituency of West Garo Hills district, Zenet Sangma, along with MLA of Salmanpara constituency, Vincent Sangma, today inspected the border villages of Maikuli, Mayong, Barapathar and Yongkuli in Ri Bhoi district. The visit of these MLA is to know from the people as some of these villages that falls in Meghalaya will go to Assam due to border agreement.
See, people residing in these localities, few localities, this is my colleague, so they have been crying for help. And the people from Assam, they are time and again, they are trespassing, they are encroaching and trying to snatch away their land belonging to our indigenous people. So now we have come to see what is happening on the ground zero. And after coming here, we have given hearing to them. We have heard what is their grievances, what is their agonies and pain. And we have come to know that people residing in this area, they are not getting any protection. And with the decision of the government, which was mutually agreed by the Meghalaya government and the Assam government, without taking the people of these localities into confidence, they have signed the MOU, and both the chief ministers of both the states, they have sent the MOU to the government of India. And today probably the chief minister of Assam and chief minister of Meghalaya jointly meeting with the Union Home Minister, and they will get some settlement out there. Now their apprehension is that maybe in this ongoing parliamentary session they will enact this, and maybe they are going to lose their land. That is the thing. So now on the floor of the house in the just concluded budget session, the chief minister of Meghalaya assured that by hearing the will of the people, what is their desire, what they want, whether they want to be part of Meghalaya or part of Assam, by hearing their voice, then only we are deciding, and whatever the people have agreed, accordingly we are acting upon. But when we come to the ground zero, we could see that people residing in this locality, they are completely against the decision of parting this area, the portion of this area with Assam. And no one so far from the government side, whether it is chief minister or any other ministers of the cabinet, have come to see what is happening in the ground zero. And without just looking at all this, they have just done the paperwork, sitting in the AC room. Probably they might have signed a MOU. And what we could see is one-sidedly the Assam counterpart, whatever decision they are taking, our chief minister might be endorsing what the decision is taken by the Assam counterpart. And this is scheduled area. Before we got the statehood, it was under scheduled area, even when it was under Assam government. So by having the farsightedness, by forcing, so that our downtrodden tribal people, hill tribes, will not be exploited by those civilized people residing in the plain area. Because of that reason only, our forefathers, under the provision of the Constitution of India, they have given the protection through Constitution that declaring these areas as scheduled area, where the ownership is with kingship and Nokma, wherever it is applicable.